Okay, so we're going to talk today about this sheet here that was in your workbook, and it's all about volume. Now, what's going to be a bit difficult for you to do at home is that you don't have access to the blocks. So we're going to work through this together because sometimes, especially number one, where they start hiding blocks, makes it a little bit difficult. And we're looking at centimetres cubed. Now, cubed just means that it's taking up space. So if we have a look at this first one here, I have some blocks here. So I'm going to make it look exactly like the picture. I have two there, and I need two that sit up here. So to get it to do that, I've got to put two underneath and then get our two to sit up the top there. Now that looks, if I turn it to the side a little bit, exactly like our picture from number one. So when I have a look at how many centimetres cubed that is, cubed is just the little 3 at the top of it, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer to that first question here is going to be 6. So it is 6 centimetres cubed. Let's have a look at number 2. I need to make my picture look like that one. So I have my 3 blocks there on the bottom, and I have one up here and one up here. So that looks exactly like my picture. I can turn it around and it still looks like my picture. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. So in my answer sheet for number 2, I will have 5 centimetres cubed. Now my next one is only 1 block long, top and bottom. So I can make that picture. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks on the bottom. And then if I have a look, I have 4 blocks on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there isn't anything hiding behind it or on, well, we've got everything from the bottom and the top. So I have 5 plus 4, I have 9 centimetres cubed for number 3. Now, the next one I can have a look and maybe not even need my blocks for. So if I have a look at number 4 here, I can count the rows because there's nothing hiding behind them. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it is 14 centimetres cubed. Let's have a look at number 5. 5, I can count the entire top row, but I can't count the entire bottom row because it's actually got depth in it. But if I can count the top, think about it as 2 slices of bread. I can see how many cubes are in the first slice of bread, but I can't see how many cubes are in the second slice of bread, but it's the same size. So if I count the top layer, it will be 2 lots of the top layer. So I want you to try that one yourself. Before we do that though, let's have a look at the next one. I have a row hiding in behind here. I know altogether I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and in each row is 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes. So I have 4 rows of 4. I wonder if you can work that one out by yourself. And these last ones, I can do the same thing as we did for number 5 with our slices of bread. I can count 1 slice of bread here that I can see, and I know the other side is going to be exactly the same. And number 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows high, and there is 1, 2, 3 in each row. So let's see if you can figure out how to do those. Maybe you could even email your answers and send them back to me. I hope that was helpful.